I know that to pick up this stitch and take it back up to the top is going to be fairly tight. So for the moment, I'm not going to knit the stitches off, those first few there. I'm just simply going to pick it up, and I'm going to take, because I know it's going to be tight, I've taken a smaller hook. I've got a 3mm here. So all you do, you insert it through the stitch and you look for each yarn that crosses the back of the work. And there's the first one there, there's the next row, and so on. You have to pull it apart to see where the yarn goes across the back of the work. Let me just take that out and show you a bit better. There you go. You can see it's like a ladder. And it's this route you need to follow. So make sure you pick up every yarn at the back. So simply pull it through. That's the first one. Pick up the second, pull it through. What you're doing when you do this is you're pulling the stitches tighter either side. And when we're done, it will look very tight. So have we got another one here? Yes. Make sure you don't miss them. And the best way to check is when we look on the reverse side. So it is a bit tight. There you go, there's another. There you go. So even though it might seem a struggle, it's worth it in the end, because you don't have to undo your work. And then when you wash your garment, after it's been worn a few times, when it's been washed a few times, the tension sorts itself out and you wouldn't even know that you'd had to do this. We're coming up to the end. Whoops. One more to do. Just get my needle. What I might do actually is just knit those 3 stitches so I can just get that last bit there. Get it on the last one. So 1, 2, 3. And there it is, you can see it there. So what I can do is if I just drop it out a second, it's a bit messy. Get it onto the needle. I've got it there. And you can see there's 2 yarns at the back of the work and I need to pick those up. So, first one, I've hooked it. So instead of using a hook, I'm using the needles now. That's that one done. And that's that one done. Okay, if I just knit past it, then I'll show you how it looks. There you go, you can see it really is quite tight. It's tightened the work up. Now let's look on the reverse. Have I picked everyone up? No, you can see I've missed one. So I need to go back and we'll redo that because I've missed. You can actually see where I've missed it. So let's go back again and it's what? 5 rows down. So return. There it is. Okay, so undo. I've got 1, 2, 3. There's a 4th one there. One more. Tug it out. Right, and we should be at the point where we do pick up. Okay, so just check in. Yes, I'm at the right point. Here we go, one more time. Try not to miss them this time. Whoops. Push that further on up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. It's all a bit tight. 4. Okay, I'll put these back on. Right, what I'm going to do, just slip that off and do the last one, like so. Take it over. I'll get a grip on it. Transfer it back onto that needle and knit it. Okay. Let's have a look now. Have we done? So there you go, incredibly tight. On the reverse, there are no missed loops. So we've rectified that one. Now we'll move on to the next issue.